Puppy.
What the fuck?
Right, so got my girlfriend Clay Bar in the car. She's doing the roof. We already did the hood. I'm gonna have her go around and Clay Bar as I polish and compound and wax. So here is, this side's just been Clay Bar. That's just some polish that splashed over when I was doing the other side, but you can see it's very hazy, very spotty from like acid rain. Obviously some swirl marks. What you'd expect in a 1994. And that's the side I did with my electric buffer with the compound and polish. Compounded first, then polish. You can see it's gotten rid of all the hazing, all the spotting. It looks pretty much brand new. That's without wax. Obviously I Clay barred that like I said before. What happened?
A spider!
Where? Pick it off the ladder? That little thing? Okay, we have a little crisis here on the channel. I'll take care of him. But yeah, you can see big difference. Big difference. Definitely worth the time. I'm gonna get him right now. That little guy. He's gone. Alright, back to work. Don't let that water dry. You'll get fired. Alright, so there's the hood, all done. Looks brand new. Super happy with how it came out. So now you can see in comparison the roof in similar shape as the hood was. I'm going to polish the roof, continue to work my way around the car, and then we'll wax it at the very end. Alright, so I finally finished polishing the Roadmaster. So you can see it's looking pretty good. Those white specks aren't rock chips, it's just some extra polish that flung off the electric buffer when I was doing other areas. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the car with some paste wax. All right, so I'm all done, finished product. Just to recap, Clay Bar, then I did polish and compound, both of the electric buffer, and then I like to do a hand paste wax and by hand removal. You guys know the Roadmaster has been having issues starting. I don't know if it's the starter or if it's a combination of the starter, the alternator, the fuel pump. I don't know. I replaced the fuel pressure regulator. It's only gotten worse. The starter pretty much barely works at this point. So I'm hoping I can get it to start and pull it out of here now that it's done. If I can't, we're gonna have to push it. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna do that about 10 times. Hopefully it'll start. Might just drain the battery before I get the chance. Alright, so that concludes the Buick paint and finish restoration video. You can see I brought it up here on top of the parking garage because the sun is hitting it best up here and I just can't get over how this car looks. It looks brand new. And the fact that I only paid $1,400 for this car, maybe it was even less, it was $1,300 or $1,400 back in June. And when you guys had seen it originally, I noticed people in the comments that were concerned about the paint. But I could see the key thing was that the clear coat was still intact. As long as that's the case, pretty much anything will restore to that OEM shine. And the polish and compound brought this paint right back to life, and the wax is protecting it. It's also, you know, making it even shinier. Yeah, really? I think you clayed it for like 2 hours, but I do appreciate that help. And once I do that, this thing will be 100% running, driving, and looking beautiful. And again, I'm still only into it for $1,400, so figure it's in a few hundred more in some parts to get it starting properly. So very happy about that. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your patience. I'll be kind of slow in the content. I'm gonna have a lot more coming for you soon. That's that. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the next one.